What's up guys, Rich here, bringing yet another video. And in this video today, we are in Guadalajara. We're gonna go and check out a beautiful home just around the corner in a condominium called Puerta De Hierro. I'm really excited. This is my first time I'm going to be showing property here in Guadalajara. So please consider subscribing to the channel, hit that notification button so you get notified of all the videos I do on a weekly basis all about buying real estate here in Mexico. Welcome to Casa, Aragon, guys. This door is heavy. This door is incredibly heavy. Let's go and check out the master bedroom. Now that is nice. So every master bedroom on a house of this stature would not be a real master bed without a really impressive closet. And this house does not fall short of that. Guys, this is for him. What an amazing closet. It feels like, it feels like you're in a club. You're coming in here with all the cool lighting, all that cove lighting. It's really great. So this is the main bedroom. As you can see guys, straight away, this wood was actually imported from Australia. And of course, guys, I want to show you the other closet for her. Both very, very impressive closets. And this is actually a sauna. You have your own very own sauna in your bathroom. Beautiful finishes. A nice big shower with a seating area. I really like this room because it has a real nice terraza outside, as you can see here. And you come over here, you can see you've got the beautiful pool down here. For a house to be smart, every room has these little iPads, and you control everything from the temperature to the security system in the house, the sound system. Everything is controlled by this little smart pad. Isn't that cool? It has ample space for 6 vehicles to be parked here. What did you think of this beautiful house here in Puerta De Hierro, here in Zapopan, Jalisco, Mexico? Incredible house. I just wanted to say, I have here the listing agent from the Sotheby's Realty International. Thank you so much for allowing us to come and video this amazing house here.
Come with us to see the house.
Come with us to see the house. Yeah, guys, as usual, I'll leave all my information down below. Give me a call if you want to come and see this house. I mean, it's an incredible house. It's one of the most prestigious areas of Guadalajara, Zapopan. Absolutely incredible. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, guys. As per usual, please subscribe, hit that notification button, and give us a thumbs up, guys. This is a really exciting house for me to show. I love showing all different size of houses, but this house was just beautiful. Every aspect of the finishes, the amazing artist is Sergio Bustamante, and if you haven't, I mean the gallery.
The gallery in Tlaquepaque is a very nice place.
You have to visit the gallery in Tlaquepaque to really get a grip of Sergio Bustamante, and he designed this door and all of the accents around the house and the bathrooms and everything. Just absolutely stunning. And I just want to also say thank you to Pepe, thank you to admin for the day, for helping me out on the drone and the videoing, and thank you again to Ana Paula, and hopefully we sell it together.
I hope so.
Let's put it out there to the universe. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next video.
Hasta
luego, amigos.